All right, let's go ahead and break down the Market Radar screen and kind of show you the buttons here so you can understand them. So we're looking at the Market Radar screen here on the site. And if you click on the refresh Intel screen, it'll refresh the data here for us. And mainly we're going to be looking at BTC. And if you want to be more advanced, you can look at the other tokens that will be on the screen. But looking at BTC, the main thing you want to look at right at the beginning is what is the weekly bias that's being set up. So it'll tell you right here right next to the BTC ticker. It's also going to give you the current price. And then, like I said, the weekly bias. We're only going to be looking at trades that match the weekly bias. So when you're looking at this runaway gap line right through here, this is giving you the gap between the daily support and the breakdown trigger. And so it's looking at that gap and then reading it. So what we're looking for on here, that what the system's looking for is 0.50 to 1.50. If it is, then it'll open this up and give you a trade, and we call the trades either magnet or jailbreak, depending on what's happening. You'll see that on the screen. And now if it's outside of those ranges that I just gave, then it'll show red and it will not give you a trade. So basically you just get two options that'll pop up here, whether it's red like it is today that you see on the data, and that'll be close your laptop and go don't trade that day with the system, or it will let you look at trade opportunities. So going on over here in this icon right here, this is actually what you'll copy and take you over to the AI, and you can put in that copy. And what it's copying is everything on this trade, and then you can interact with the AI to learn about the trade or any questions you do have. It can help you dig into that. And then the next icon here is to copy the entry, or the lines actually, sorry, for this chart. And you can go and put it over on the indicator, and it'll lay out the chart and trading view for you. And then the last button over here is, right now you see monitor Intel. Basically, you'll see this button turn into lock target. And if this shows lock target, that means that the parameters are met. And then you can click on that button and it'll take you over into the trade for yourself. So that is the walkthrough of laying out and explaining the Market Radar. And we'll go from there. Thank you.